Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. So in this video, I am going to discuss how we can create a data set for data analysis practice. So if you are a learner, you want to learn the data analysis, but you are not getting a data related to the your interested field, then you can generate the data using ChatGPT. So the basic requirement is at least you should know how to install the Python, how to install the Python packages. If you don't know, you can go through the WebChamp YouTube channel Python playlist to understood how we can do the installation for the Python. So here using ChatGPT, what we will do is we will generate the code that will create a sample data set for us. So here, for example, I would like to generate a sales data, or maybe I would like to generate a PO data, procurement related data. Maybe I would like to generate a banking related data. So you can just ask to ChatGPT to give me the code which will generate the data set for me. So here I will say just give me a code to generate data set for sales analysis using the product, customer, customer, seller, order. Then if you wants to add anything like country table for orders up to 1 million records. So it should generate the order table for 1 million records. So this will say this product table will houses these many number of columns. Product ID, name, category, and price. This is fine. Then customer table will houses these four: customer name, customer ID, age, country. Right. Then seller details you will see from the seller table: country, country name, region, country ID. It will generate automatically for you. So Python has created the sorry, ChatGPT has created a Python script to generate all these data sets, and this will be saved into the folder where you will run the Python script, right? And order table will have the order ID, customer ID, seller ID, product ID. Everything is in the order table, right? Meaning this is just to create a relationship. Now, what you can do is you need to import the packages, whatever the packages used here. Then I will go and I will just copy this, go to my Python script, meaning .py file where I have to save the files. So if you want to save the data in any specific folder, so you can create the Python file in that folder and then run the script. So it will take a time. See, if you have not installed any specific model, it will throw error. So now let's install the model called Faker. So I will say pip install Faker. Let's wait until the installation gets finished. This is how you can install the packages used in your Python script to generate the data sets. Okay, so installing, this is still under the installation. Okay, installation is done. So now I'm good to run the package. Okay, what it says, so generated object has attribute called continent. So this is giving me the error fake dot continent. Okay, so for which line it is throwing the error? So if you don't know how to handle this issue, so we can just copy the error. So generator object has, so it will give you the solution. Okay, so just copy this to the chat GPT, and chat GPT will walk you through the solution. So let me close this code. Okay, so what it says, okay, it is updating the code for me. Similarly, replace region assignment in seller table with the same logic. Okay, so it has updated now. Okay, so it has updated the code. So now let's copy this updated code and then run the package once again. So let me say earlier the choice function was not there. So hope this will not throw error. So now this is running. So you will not be able to see at this point whether this is running or not. But if you see this, the dataset generated successfully message here as an output on the console, you can say that this script is successfully completed. Script execution is successfully completed. You till the time you need to wait, you don't have option because it is going to generate a millions of record. Okay, so number of customers it is going to create for the 50,000, number of products 1,000, number of sellers 500, number of countries 50, and number of orders it is going to give you around the one. Okay, not one, it's 10 lakh. This is what we requested, right? So this is how your data sets get generated. Now you are good to load the data in Power BI and create the model. Obviously, each table has a common key, and meaning each table is related to the orders. Order table will give you the key for the customers to map the data. It has a key for map the country. It has a key for map the product details. It has a key for seller details also. So you can open the orders table. Let's see. Okay, Excel is okay. Say don't convert. I don't want to convert anything. So since this is a CSV, maybe order number is getting converted. Okay, so don't open any CSV file directly. Here I'm showing to open you, but yes, you need not to open directly. Read the data in Power BI for the modeling purpose, or you can insert this data into the database and then perform the SQL analysis also. So here you can see that as stated, these are the customer IDs, this is seller IDs, this is the product IDs, and then quantity, then total price, then order date. And if you wants to add any specific column, okay, so you will be able to add just to say add more details about product and seller instead of say seller. Okay, this is fine. Seller. Even if you wants to add more details about orders, so you will be able to do that. So just hit the command. So it will again update the script for you. Right. So it has added the details for the order, that payment type, order status, and rest of the things are even fine. Payment method is there, but what about the payments or price? So it may came calculated total price, data frame order. So this is these two three columns are derived columns. You can see here the price column is later on deleted. So if you understood the Python code, that will be a better. If you don't understand, still you will be able to generate the data sets using the chat GPT and Python. Let me run the scripts once again. You don't need to do anything, just uh, ask chat GPT to give you what type of data set you want. And obviously you will be able to generate it. But minimum requirement is you should know how to install a Python. You should know how to install the Python packages. Okay, so permission denied because this file is open at my end. So my bad. This was about to finish the execution. At last stage, it got failed because the order file was open at my end. So again, it will replace all the files. It is going to add more details. You can specify the any specific categorical column for the that entity, meaning the product or seller or customer related details. So it will generate the data accordingly. So this is a very best option instead of searching the data on the internet, and you will not get the data which will give you the more interesting field as you want. So it is better to generate the data set for you and do the analysis. So that will definitely create a more interest to perform the analysis. So I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Happy learning.